This is Alan from Mountains to Sound Home Inspection. We're on an inspection in a home in Olympia, Washington. Coming around the corner, in this particular corner, we found a few things that are going on. First of all, there's a fence that's attached to the wooden siding of the house. Just something we recommend against. Moisture can build up behind that and not evaporate properly. Water has to go somewhere, and it's usually right into your siding. So it's something that we'll definitely talk about in our reports. Looking a little bit closer, especially at the bottom of this particular gate attachment, notice that it had contact to the ground, and bumping it a little bit, I saw some pest activity here. It looks like they've come up through the soil, and it's just a matter of time before they reach actual wooden siding in this case. It's something we just need to jump on top of and take care of before it becomes a bigger problem. Looking a little bit to the left, we also see a crawl space vent back into a corner. Can't really see it that well, but it's been open. So that allows, of course, pests right into the crawl space of the home. Just something that would be pretty well hidden in general, but unless you're looking at every single corner, hard to pinpoint sometimes. Yeah, this has been Alan from Mountains to Sound. Have a good one, guys.